Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back on this lovely, what is it today? Today's the 2nd of December. Long month, pretty big month, going all the way up until the Wednesday, the 31st. So we got about 4.5 weeks, like I told you last week, but really excited about it. Good to see everyone. Let's get ready for the market. We're doing pretty good on the stock PLRZ. Who got a piece of the PLRZ, by the way? Anyone here trading it right now? I mean, it was a great runner right around 8 o'clock this morning. We were all over it. For some of you that are watching on social media, and if you're not subscribed to our morning watch list, we have it on X, we have it on our Telegram, we have it on alerts, but that was a watch list. Yeah, those two stocks were definitely pretty big. This one came a little bit later after that time, but the one I really liked on that watch list was the Beyond Meat. We're going to check out in a little bit. But yeah, that one's looking pretty good. You did fantastic. You're in and out, Kathleen, 3 times. All right. Grant got a piece of it. John's been fantastic. I love that, how you're saying that. Beautiful. John G said he made about 30 cents on the Beyond Meat. We're going to check that one out too. But the PLRZ, we're going to put this on the watch list already. And yet, we're definitely going to talk about this Beyond Meat. What a great runner yesterday. Man, 1 o'clock. You know what's funny? I saw this thing moving yesterday, and I think I mentioned something about it. But this stock was, if we go back on the third day, you could see it was all the way down here, and I saw this big move in pre-market when it was at 93 cents, and then obviously went to $1. Now it's at $1.60. We all remember Beyond Meat pretty well. Not too long ago, we had this stock right here. Back in October, it ran from like 60 cents to about 7.50. It was definitely a big mean stock right there. Big mean stock. So hopefully it looks like it's on a big move. We're going to put that one on the watch list too. BYND, that is piggybacking from yesterday. But let's go over some of the stocks that we did trade yesterday. There were a couple of nice moving stocks, even though the market did take a big hit. Some of them are starting to make a little bit of a comeback. Apple had a really good move yesterday. And, there's the ETF on Apple that you could trade. I think I own that one. QTTB was also a nice little early morning runner and then finally came back down. Fly, a nice little mover too. That one ran from about like $5 to about $20. Great afternoon stock. This thing got destroyed. You could see it right here back in August from 150 all the way down to, I mean, this thing dropped all the way down to lows. My God, what was that? How low was that? I'm just curious. Down to $5. My God, that's a haircut and a half. Anyway, I'm going to put this on the B list. I want to keep an eye on it. The only thing I did not like about it, it was pretty fast, but I want to put it on the B list. I want to keep an eye on it again. So Fly looks pretty good. CMG, we've been doing really well with that one too. Chipotle on the swing trade. We've been talking about that a lot. So whoever's in it, looking like you're doing pretty good on this stock. 35 was a very big iceberg order on that stock right there. Let me just see if he's still out there. No, he's not out there, but there is a decent buyer at 34. But yesterday it was at 35. It just touched on it and it came back down. Beyond Meat, we already talked about that one. MSTZ. So that one had been having a really good rally, but MSTR did come back a little bit yesterday. It's finally made a little bit of a comeback. You can do MSTZ. No, I'm sorry, not Z. U. And that one is really cheap. Took a very big hit from $10 down to $1. It looks like it probably could be a good buy right here. Unfortunately, I got out of it yesterday. I did not like it. I got out at $1.05. I was pretty happy I did because it did drop all the way down here 90 cents, but I might just jump back into it if MSTR still looks a little strong. Obviously, we use this to follow Bitcoin. So Bitcoin did pretty good yesterday. You can see it. It's already at the highs. It's trading right over here around 87,000. But you got to day trade this stock or short-term swing trade. You got to be careful of it because it's pretty volatile. So we had that one. I'm going to put that one back on the watch list right here. MST. I'm going to put the R, but you all know it's the U. Okay, it's a cheaper version of it. It's the ETF. All right. but I'm going to put that on a watch list because when we put it on our watch list, some people are like, wait, what's MSTU? It's a dollar stock. Some people don't understand that there are ETFs on these stocks. So I'll put the MSTR instead. What else that we had that did move pretty well? Oh, CNCK. That was another really, really nice little cheap stock right there. That one got halted so many times, from $4 all the way to $9. So, yesterday in the morning, it was okay. I wasn't super excited about it, but it looks like things worked out. And when the day went on, and so even though the market was down, we did get some nice little pops. Some really nice shorts, though. SMR got crushed. All these nuclear stocks got crushed. OKLO, another one that really got beat up yesterday. You can see it was almost at 200 down to 89. There are really good stocks out there. Coin made a little bit of a comeback after taking a big hit at 250. Rigetti, that one just got hammered. Rigetti, RGTI. That one just big rally up to $60, down to 24. And EOSE. Now, listen, we've been I spell it wrong. EOS, and there it goes. There's going to be some good buys in some of these stocks. I know some of us missed the rally on some of them, but don't worry about it. I mean, listen, you want these things to get crushed, because as they get crushed, these things will come back. Also, keep an eye on Netflix a little bit. I heard that Netflix has an interest of buying Warner Brothers. So a cash deal. I mean, I'm not really seeing a big move on Warner Brothers, but Netflix obviously finally did the reverse stock split, and maybe people are going to start buying it. So I want to keep an eye on Netflix too. I'll put this on the watch list. All right, let's go back to our big percentage gainers where we were all happy to find them. So PLRZ has got a lot of support levels. Been since 8 o'clock this morning, right here around the 680 price range. So it is starting to trend down a little bit. It is up 123%. That is a lot. I'll be a little cautious on that one. FTEL. This one also looks pretty good. Cheap little stock, good spread. A lot of support levels at $1.60. I like that stock right there too. Keep an eye on that one. FTEL. This stock really not going anywhere, even though it's been up. It's big up from yesterday, but not really going anywhere right now. Jasper, we traded the stock before, extremely volatile, but nice little price range. 27 million shares, a lot of support levels around 2, already around about 30 cents. A lot of stocks on this morning. This stock, we're not going to trade this thing as it gapped up so big. Expensive. We're not trading $400 stock. This one, ugly spread. This one, too expensive. And I'm just seeing if anything new popped up. This one's not bad. This one, SOLT. This is it's an ETF going up. And let's see the New York Stock Exchange. This one's down 40%. This one we never traded before. This one's coming down because it's up so big. This one's just starting to take a major hit. Doubt it's on the short list. Man, talking about us. Here's another stock list. $2,000 stock. Let's go back. 15,000, 5,000. A lot of these stocks that were in the big gainers yesterday are showing up on the big losers. And New York Stock Exchange, here's a buyout. See if anything else just popped up there that I found. BMNU, good spread. Starting to come back. One of the ETFs. Losers, nothing there. All right. So gold's starting to move up again, Grant. I know that. Silver is coming down a little bit. Was it down again? I looked at this morning. Silver has also been really, really good for us. SLV. Okay, it's starting to come back up now. It was down this morning, but silver also, put that on the watch list. SLV. That's been doing just absolutely fabulous. $45 stocks, just breaking all-time highs right there. And we're at, what's the high right there? At 53. All right, so there's our watch list, fellow traders. So listen, a couple of things that we're doing today. Today is the start of phase 3. So a lot of these stocks, and we like to do it on a Tuesday because when Mondays, it's like a 50-50, but this is hump day. So we got phase 3 that's coming up. If you haven't registered yet, please go out there. The link's right there. If you don't have access, talk to your education advisor. We'll get you in there. That's the final phase of all our classes. Next week is Cyber Expo. So we're going to have 10 of one of my favorite gurus in the industry that are one of the best of trading educators. Make sure you register for that. We'll get that link up posted for you. You should be probably getting emails coming up shortly for that. Please go out there, share it, tell your friends about it. It's our biggest event that we do of the year. So that's going to be fun going into the holiday season. And then, like I said, that pretty much does it. Don't really see anything else out there, but it's a pretty big list. All right, guys. All right, let's get ready for the market open up. We got about a little bit more than 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media and you want to come join our trading floor, here's access to that QR code. Just take your phone, scan it, or you could just go to www.ctu.co/free. There you go. There's a link for you guys. All right, guys, let's get ready for the market open up. Meet Josh and Rich will be right back in the next 15 minutes. Good luck, everybody. Happy trading and trade safe.